Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn. Myself Chandra, and in this video we discuss today a very unique strategy based on Fibonacci retracement, and which we took trades today. And if you check that there is a deposit of $15 around 1200 INRs, and we get profit of $20, almost 133% ROI, means with 1200 INR deposit we earn almost 1600 rupees. So this is our trade history. If you check, this is our trade history, and we also made withdrawal of $20. Now we discuss how we took those trades and which things we use in that. Before, if you already profitable in your trading stuff, so no need to watch this video. If you are still struggling with to make profit daily, then you definitely learn, watch full video to understand strategy and apply in your trading to get profitable results. So first of all, if you go with our thumbnail, so there is a Fibonacci is God's fingerprint. What it's mean? The Fibonacci is a one mathematician, the Leonardo Bonacci, known as Fibonacci Leonardo of Pisa, was an Italian mathematician considered to be the most talented Western mathematician at the Middle Ages. Fibonacci popularized the Hindu-Arabic numeral system to the Western world primarily through his composition 1202 of Liber Abaci, Book of Calculation. He also introduced Europe to the sequence of Fibonacci numbers, which he used an example of in Liber Abaci. In mathematics, the Fibonacci numbers are the numbers in the following integer sequence called the Fibonacci sequence, and characterized by the fact that every number after the first two is the sum of the two preceding ones. Example: 1 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 13 21, 21 plus 34 55, 55 plus 34 is 89, 89 to 55 is 144, so on. The best part, and that is a unique stuff, that Fibonacci's existence natural things, that is reason it is called the God's fingerprint. Fibonacci God's fingerprint. Why? If we go with tree branches, there is also follow the Fibonacci rule, the sequence. Also, like sunflower, it is follow the rule, and that is the Fibonacci shell. If you check now, what is Fibonacci and how we go that. Introduction to Fibonacci. I will not got any deeper into theoretical part of Fibonacci sequence works. If you are interested, you might find plenty of materials on internet, or you can comment us. We will give you whole stuff or technical theoretical part of Fibonacci, and it is universal. If you hurricanes, you can see there is a image. If you galaxy, you can see in fruits like pineapple, follow the Fibonacci level sequence. Our body also follow the Fibonacci sequence. The what is the Fibonacci? If you check, that's 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, and the Fibonacci is a very universal thing, and this is actually worked in lot of stuffs, like in a completing the project agile methods. Many corporates are using this Fibonacci agile method for increase their productivity by the sequence, and they multiplied their existing task in a and incremental matter they complete that task to complete this any project within a timeline. So they also exist, so many sectors this is using. But how you can use in trading? So in trading, there is a two things. One is Fibonacci retracement, and second is Fibonacci expansion. So now we go back to our chart, so explain that how we set up this strategy and how we use this strategy in our charts. So like in there is a gold chart, if you check, that is running right now. Fibonacci is you can use in a three ways. Like if you doing scalping, so you select your time hour for to draw Fibonacci, you select 4 hours time frames and take trades on 5 minutes. If you do for a swing trading, you select the chart of 1 day, draw the Fibonacci, plot the levels, and later on you trade on a 30 minutes or a 1 hour chart. If you go for a longer time frame, long term, or for a short term trade, so you go with the higher time frame of 1 month, draw the Fibonacci, and you can took the trades based on that. So now today in this video we discuss that in a scalping way how we can do trades like that. The first thing, like it is a gold chart of 4 hours, and like example I'm taking random anything, or today the trades we are taken. First we select the chart of four hours, then you need to go to your tools and you select the Fibonacci. You can also use trading view to get the draw the Fibonacci. And Fibonacci three four types, that Fibonacci fan, Fibonacci arc, Fibonacci channel, Fibonacci expansion, Fibonacci time zone. There is a lot of products, but that is basically based on the calculation. Now go to Fibonacci. Like if first you need to check that what is the candle color. If candle color is red, you need to draw from top to the bottom of the chart, top to the bottom. One second, we just draw that. One second, first we delete that. No issue, we need to explain this strategy, so we draw in any other where we can easily draw that. Go to the Fibonacci and select any candle. Like there is a green candle, okay, so you select this up to the from bottom to high. You need to select bottom to high for the level. Now we go back to 5 minute chart. Go back to 5 minute chart. So now we check that this is our Fibonacci level. So let me check. This is a Fibonacci level. Now this correct. So what is the retracement? Means there is a ratio between the your Fibonacci series, that all numbers, if you divide one number with their previous number, there is a series is coming like that: 0.2, 3.6, 3.8, 50, 61, 100. So when market is a like uptrend, so it is called that till the time market is not go below 61, it is possible to retrace from 38, 38, 50, or if it is broken the 60, then there is a trend is reverse. So now if you check, then what happened in next. So firstly we go that if you check that market is go up to this level and it is come to in between range of 38 to 50, and it is got rejected for this candle. So always you took a trade a high of above and you put a stop loss of 61, and your target is this 100 level. So if you think it is come again, it is come in the same zone, again it will go, correct. This is how you can took trades in a Fibonacci retracement. It is an example of buying trade when market in a green candle. And now we check that how you can check in a red candle when market is in a forming the red candle, means bearish type. First we go to Fibonacci again, and the levels 0.23, 0.50, 0.61, 0.73 or 100, these are called golden ratio levels. Like if we go to Fibonacci retracement, and now there is a red candle, so we draw this. Now we switch time frame to 5 minutes. Correct. Now if you check what happened in this scenario, that we draw level from 0 to 100. We draw this level from 0 to 100, means 100 to 0 because it is a downtrend, correct. Now if we check that this how this level is worked, and this is also work as a support and resistance level. So we go back to if you check that this is a 61 level, and we draw this horizontal line. So market is at a downtrend. Whenever market come up to in between of 61 to 51 range, like market is come up upside, so we go for a sell trade above your swing high, so again you get the profit, correct. Whenever market go up, if you check that market go up to 161 level, nearby 167, so we go for a sell trade and above putting the stop loss. So you can take those level, and it is giving very good levels always, and it is giving at least 100% accuracy in your trading, and you can very proper stop loss and target. And it is a static, it is not dynamic. You need to put this, and because it is a God's fingerprint, so definitely it will work very well, and it is available in nature, so you can took trades like that. So that is whole story on that Fibonacci, that how you can trade in scalping, how you can trade in uh, swing trading, how you can trade in gold trading, or how you can trade in long term. Any market you can use that, like in a stock market, like in a cryptocurrency, like in a commodity, like in a option trading. This is a very unique stuff. If you check that market is again reversing from the 50 level, so this areas, this is the also working as support and resistance, but in a mathematical way. It is not like that higher swing high swing low we draw the levels. It is automatically plotted, and you can project the future trade levels and your target levels, or your retracement from where market retraces, or where it is going above the, like it is a we draw the downtrend, and where if market is reversed, correct, if it is not retrace, it is go up, so it will extension level is these level 161, 174. So there is a lot of levels of expansion. I'm not explaining in this video expansion, as it is go very long. So this is the whole story of today's video. You can use this strategy. Any issue on this thing, you can just connect on us in our Telegram, or you can comment on this video, and we always try to help you this, because we took strategies based on what we use in our live trading, and we show the result, then we give it to you. So if you still not subscribe our channel, so you just subscribe our channel and go it our learning series, where we always give some scalping type or very 90% to 100% accuracy profitable result oriented strategies over there. You can watch and you can increase your skill set in trading, and you can get very good things from that. I'm not taking any charges for tapes or comment or anything. We have our telegram channels, we post the levels, only one or two or three good levels, but it is almost 90% give our levels to our students. Also we have live streaming for 24 into 7 for gold and bitcoin. You can connect, you get that. Everything is free, not chargeable at all, nothing. I just wanted that people should learn those things, and they can earn a lot of money and from the market, because market is a very open source. You can make very easily on that. If you check, we took sell trades, we took buy trades, every type of trades we took today based on our Fibonacci levels of today. So it is not any trend oriented or something, it is just plot the levels and you took the trades. Still, if you are not subscribe our channel, so just subscribe our channel to get more videos. So hopefully you understood this video. Thank you so much guys. Good day. Take care.